Okay, so today, um, so I have my SK5808 control panel running, and I have three devices wired up to the panel. So today I'm just gonna be setting these off. I don't have a post station. I'm still trying to figure out how to make the CRF-300 relay module to trip my Firelight BJ12 to set off the panel, but just for today I will just be going to be testing these by using the fire drill option. So there it goes. Boom. I'm gonna stop it, and then we can go to point functions and go to 6. We're gonna put in my passcode. Alright, so I could go to internal power supply, and then I could just test one each. So that's the first one. This is the second one, bottom. So as you can see, and for the last one, 0.3, it's gonna be this guy. Okay, so it looks like I may have a incorrect wiring on this device, so I'm just gonna not include that. But thank you so much for watching this short, and give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Anyway, have a nice day, guys.